already police complaint malli. We have ensured that the complaint was registered. त्याच्यामुळे रामानुजांनी बंद दवरला आपलो डेटा. So Chinese Economic Information Centraंतल्यान data आयिल्लो unverified was a data used again by the same people who might be I'm just putting as a supposition, might be one of the plans of the same teams which have been playing on Goa from that time. तेन्नाच्यान हे फिगर सुरू जाले. जे फिगरूच नाशिल्ले ते फिगर घालून समज डिस्कशनां सुरू जाली जाल्यार I don't think we have given the data which has been in the assembly and in the parliament. तो डेटा तुम्ही पळयता ताचेर आमी उलोवया की that is our data. खंयचो डेटा तूं हाडटलो आनी म्हणटलो 8.6 million tourist foreigners in Goa when we never had those tourists. What can I comment? आमी 1 million क्रॉस करूंकूच ना इंटरनॅशनल टुरिस्ट जाल्यार why are we talking about 8.6 million international tourists? सो थंयच्यान आमी पयले स्वता ते कितें उलयता आनी आमी कितें उलयता तर आमी कितें सांगपाक जाय तर आमी क्लियर आसात. सो तो कोण रामानुज आशिल्लो काय कोण आशिल्लो the police has to let us know what they have acted upon post the thing, but we have ensured that not only him but जे कोण गोंयांत डिफेम करतले ताजेर जाल्यार डिफेमेशनूय फायल जातली कित्याक तुजे इश्यू आसा एज अ टुरिस्ट वी आर हियर टू हियर युअर ग्रीव्हन्सीस 1364 आसा बाकीचे ॲप्स आसा आमी आसात यू टॉक वी आर हियर टू रिजॉल्व.